Hi, it's Mitch here with Inspection Works. Just wanted to have a little chat with you about the in-floor heating system in the house. It's kind of unique, which is really neat. So it's getting its heat from the water heater, the main water heater for the house. So this heats both the water that you use in your showers and that sort of thing, and the in-floor heat, which is quite unique. The heat goes to this heat exchanger here. This little guy here is a little heat exchanger, and that separates the domestic water from the in-floor water. So you can see there's a reservoir here it's actually got antifreeze in it, and that's great because your in-floor heating runs out to the garage there, and of course you don't want that freezing. You won't want water in that freezing. So it's great that they've separated the two systems. The system is running fine for us today. All kinds of great things going on. So this is, like I said, this is the reservoir. So you just want to make sure that this reservoir level stays at the same level. If it's going down, it means there's a leak somewhere. These red guys here, these are pumps. So that's what circulates the water through the system. You've got two zones here. So you've got a basement zone, which heats the floor in the basement, and that's all this pipe work here. And then the heat to the garage, where did I find that one ran? Oh, that's this guy here. So there's an outflow and an influx from the garage, and that's where those lines go. What other equipment here? There's a expansion tank here. So of course when you heat water up, it expands, and that expanded water needs to go somewhere, so they put this tank on there to carry that expansion. Got a bubble catcher here, so bubbles and pumps don't mix very well. You can damage the pump if there's any bubbles get in the system. So this little thing here is a bubble catcher, catches any of those bubbles and keeps it from damaging. This is the zone control here, and these are relays that open up and close the valves when the different thermostats call for pressure or call for heat. Just slide around here. You'll see in the report there's infrared pictures of the heat down here and the heat in the garage. This, of course, is the thermostat for the basement. There's also a thermostat in the garage, and you just set those for whatever temperature you want, and it'll lift up for you. So it's working really well today. Very little maintenance to these. Just watch for leaking more than anything. Call a professional if they need any repair. Awesome. That's great. Thanks so much.